Most people think a W-2 job limits how much wealth they can build. But the truth is, your paycheck is one of the most powerful wealth building tools you'll ever have if you know how to use it. I'm Stephen Lee, a CPA and a certified private wealth advisor, and I've seen teachers, nurses, electricians, and engineers turn a steady salary into financial freedom. In fact, if you simply invest a portion of every paycheck, you could have well over $1 million without ever starting a business. In this video, I'll show you how to turn the security of your job into real power through smarter habits, simple investing, and tax moves that anyone can use. Here's what nobody tells you about money. Behavior beats income every single time. Number one, spend intentionally, not emotionally. Most people spend emotionally to feel comfort or status. Wealthy people spend intentionally to create freedom. Before you buy, ask yourself, will this make my life better next month or just today? Number two, automate decisions. The rich don't rely on discipline, they rely on automation. Automate your savings, investments, and even bill payments. If it happens automatically, it happens consistently. Number three is avoid lifestyle creep. Every raise doesn't have to mean a new car or a bigger house. Keep your lifestyle stable for one more year and invest the difference. That one decision could mean retiring 5 years earlier. Now, let's talk about how to make your money work as hard as you do. Step one, pay yourself first. Most people save what's left after spending, but the wealthy spend what's left after investing. Set up an automatic transfer the day your paycheck hits, even if it's $250 or even $500 per month. Step two, keep it simple. Index funds. Don't try to pick stocks, own the entire market. An S&P 500 index fund automatically invests in America's top 500 companies. And over time, it's averaged about a 10% return per year. That's how you quietly turn consistency into wealth. And step three, automate it all. Link your investments directly to your paycheck, 401k, Roth IRA, or brokerage account, whatever's available to you. That's the power of time. Every month you wait costs you thousands in future wealth. Step four, increase with every raise. What does that mean? Got a raise? Split it. 3% for lifestyle, 2% for investing. That's how you enjoy life now, build wealth long term. My client Sarah started doing this at just $45,000 of annual income. 3 years later, she's crossed $50,000 invested without changing jobs. And here's the truth. Wealth isn't about money, it's about time. I know people earning $250,000 a year who are miserable. 70-hour work weeks, glued to email, golden handcuffs. They have money, but no freedom. Meanwhile, others making half as much are happier because their money works for them. Wealth is the ability to control your time. Choose how you spend your days, not just how much you earn. Every automatic transfer, every investment, every intentional purchase, it's a vote for your future freedom. So here's your action plan for today. Number one, automate your savings, even if it's $50 a month. Number two, open a low-cost index fund account using one of the big brokerage firms like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab. And remember, the wealthy aren't lucky or smarter. They're just consistent. The system is simple. The hard part is starting. The question is, will you be talking about money problems next year, or will you finally start your wealth plan today? I hope this video was helpful. Please leave a comment to see which part really resonated with you. And until next time, bye.